Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston from Forex Formula. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. I just want to talk to you about something that it was kind of an epiphany for me one day. And it came from a time when I was training agents early on. And I had to take all this time to break things down and think it through and figure out how to train agents to kind of think like me. And it was tough because then I realized they don't think like me. And it was this epiphany. And so I had to figure out how to train people. Now, here's the thing that a lot of you don't realize, and we talk about it all the time. Find a mentor, find someone who is really successful and just emulate them or pick their brain, all that kind of stuff. But here's the challenge with that, you guys, and I don't want to put it down. I think it's great to do it. But when I was really busy and I was kicking ass and I was just giving her in the real estate world, and I had other people come up to me and go, I want to learn from you, I want to emulate you, or I want to pick your brain, or all that kind of stuff, and I was happy to do it. But I'm going to tell you, like in an hour lunch or a half-hour phone call with somebody, or I cannot give them all my secrets. I wasn't even able to intellectually explain what made me successful. I wasn't able to do it because I hadn't really thought it through. I was just doing my thing. And I didn't even know the parts that I really wasn't good at either, that I had to work on. I didn't know any of that kind of stuff. All people saw was this successful, moving and shaking kind of guy, and they wanted that, so they wanted to talk to me, and they figured that I'm going to give them the magic pill, the amazing magical sentence or trick or one thing that I do that brings me all my success, and I wasn't able to deliver that to people, and it was very frustrating to me, because I hadn't really taken the time to think it through. And basically, the Forex Formula training course now is that. It's taken me 2 years to break down every aspect of how you build a real estate business and really think it through and make it understandable for the average person to take those ideals and ideas and action steps and mindsets in behind all that to actually apply it and actually get it done, actually win, actually, experience success from those actions. Because I was able to think it through and intellectually break it down. And then when I was doing it, sometimes I would be going on one bit of subject matter, and I'm going, this is going to be great. They're going to love this. This is going to be awesome for them. And then all of a sudden I'd realize, no, wait a minute. I have to teach them this first. They need to know this first before that, because if they have this, that's going to make this way easier. And that was the process that I went through. It was a difficult process. It was not easy. So just throwing it out there for you to think about. We'll talk soon. Bye.